Wow, so soft.
全部で6回分けて注ぐ。1回で32グラム注いで、ざっくり繰り返し6回測りながらやるっていうのが結構大事なんで。時間っていうか、秒数みたいな。そう。でも難しいでしょ、それ考えるのね。注ぐのはできるだけ細くしてですね、これ深入りだからしっかり出してあげたいですね、成分を。これをバシャってかけたらただのねペラペラの苦いだけのコーヒーになっちゃうかな。甘さを引き出すっていう意味でできるだけゆっくり優しくコーヒー注いであげるっていうのが大事ですね。
Yeah, you were expecting like colorful.
We gotta make a comment. Somebody dreamed of like a little dot with a couple on top. It's just really nice.
Was on your face and then from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. I want you. Oh,
Hi everyone, this is Nina. As you can see, I have received a package from the Netherlands. On the 5th of December, it was Sinterklaas in the Netherlands. Ah! Oh my god, there's a lot in here. This is crazy. Oh, and this card is so cute. Guy. It's for my mom and dad. There's so much. Oh my god, I can see the waffles. Let's open a few before I head out. It's a letter, like a chocolate letter. This is a very common thing that people give each other on a Sinterklaas. It's hazelnut flavor, which I love. I feel like there's a lot of like snacks in here. Kruidmoppen. Oh, it's like these spices. Yeah. Of course, we need some drop. This is also a Dutch snack, I guess. Witte chocola met speculoos-stukjes. Which means it's like speculoos is this cookie which tastes like cinnamon and all these spices. So this is the white chocolate bar with pieces of that in it. What is this? Kawaii! Choco sticks. I can share this with my friends too. Yay! Drop again! Woo! This is zoutdrop. One more drop. I have like drop for a whole year right now. More drop. It's licorice basically. I need to say it correctly. Honestly, I need to share this with my friends. I cannot finish all of this myself. This is schuim, zinschuim, stroopwafels. This is also a famous Dutch cookie, and this one is specifically with honey flavor as well. Coffee beans! Yay! From Douwe Egberts. I told my mom that I bought this coffee bean mill that I can grind my own beans, and now so she sent me the beans. Yay! Thank you! There was this final little present in there. Oh! These are earrings! Oh my god, that's so cute! I think I will wear this a lot. Oh, thank you. Wait, if you look closely, these 3 pearls are actually a different color. Hey, it's nice. I like that. It goes with a lot of things, I think. Oh, thank you so much. This was everything in here. It's a mess around me right now, but I'm gonna take a picture of it and then say thank you. I'm gonna see 2 friends today, so I'm gonna share it with them. Okay, bye. Let's go.
The Keio Idokuta line, the Ginza subway line, the Hanzobu subway line, and the Tsukuba subway line.
Just trying to keep good vibes, good times only. Feel it in my heart, deep down from within. It's in my soul. I know how to get back to that joy, that vibe, that light within my eyes.
できました。I'm working from home today. I bought a cake at the bakery today as a dessert. 伝わるかな。
ね。
あ、消えちゃった。あれが消えちゃったよ。お、すごいこれ。やばい、かわいい。かわいいこれ。Hi everyone, I'm back at home. Came back a while ago actually, but I already had some dinner. I bought these mandarins and I was enjoying them. And now I'm gonna start doing some editing. But before that, I wanted to show the first Christmas card that I received in the mail this week. Yay! This, it smells really good. Like, my friend, she put a little cologne on it, like perfume on it. My room smells really nice right now. If you hold it, you can smell it, so cute. Maybe she put this inside? I don't know, but it's so pretty. そういえばベルギーに行ってからもう2年も経ったんだね。Yeah, we actually went to Belgium together, which was 2 years ago. No, more than 2 years, no? No, it was 2 years. Anyway. It's so sweet. It's such a personal message, and I'm planning to write her a card as well. Like, I still have these ones that I'm gonna send out. I hope you're watching this. Arigato. Kazarimasu. I'm going to stick this card onto my fridge right here. I always put cards and things that I receive here on my fridge. Actually, this one was the first one I received from my parents. Let's put it right here. Ta-da!